Hello and welcome to Automouse. My name is Jay. How's everyone doing? Today I'm working again on my car. I'm be doing the Resi Delete today. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far. I've taken the exhaust off. You can see there my old efforts of doing the back box delete. And those are the two pipes I'm going to use to replace the Resi. And then I'm going to be putting the exhaust back on. And how I took the exhaust off was there was on here, you can see down there was a 15mm nut which I took off using my impact gun, and a 15mm socket. Came off quite easily. Then I just twisted the exhaust. I've taken the two middle support brackets which I held on to with 13 millimeter bolts, and there's another support bracket underneath which is still underneath the car. There it is. I haven't bothered trying to get it out. Cutting quite close to the Resi, so I'll probably cut it there and there. Again on this side I'll cut quite close. I'll cut there and there. I need the straight bits really, and then I'm going to put the pipes on. And also I'm going to try and do some welding as well. I'm going to get the welder out. It's only a flux MIG welder, so the welds are not going to look pretty, but as long as they hold and do the job, I don't care. I'm going to get busy now and do some graft. So I'll see you at the end of the video, and don't forget, if you like the video, to click and subscribe. Time to get busy. Now that the resonator has been cut off, I'm going to show you what the resonator looks like inside. You'll probably see now it's pretty straight through. So really I didn't have to do a resonator delete because the resonator is pretty much straight through, and it's got two tubes inside like I'm going to just show you, and it's got small slits for the gases to escape into the box to change the sound a little bit. And I'm not sure we'll be able to see that or not, but there's got slits inside there. I think you might just be able to see them, and you can see it's pretty much straight through. Right, I'm just going to show you underneath the car. I actually already put it back on. I welded it in.
So you can see there, you just about see it. I'm sorry that I didn't get underneath the car to show you properly, but that's where the resonator used to sit, and that's where it is now.
So my thoughts on the resonator delete. I don't think it was necessary to do the resonator delete. Knowing now knowing that it's pretty much straight through. I've got a clip of what the car actually sounds like, and I'll show you that. And if you stay tuned, that will be up next. Right, now for the exhaust test. Anyway, that's all from me for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the sound of the exhaust in the comments below. Don't forget to click on subscribe or click on like, whichever the way they are. And I'll catch you guys next time. Be seeing you.